Hey everybody, it's Steve, and I'm back today to do another one of my Splinterlands rewards videos. So mostly I've been covering Tron projects. I'm also going to look into covering some Ethereum projects soon. I did Tron because I feel like a lot of people ignore it, and I do get okay video views considering I only have 1, 2, 3 subscribers, but I get 50 views, 50 views, and look at this Tron one, 188 views. Maybe that means people don't like my stuff that much because I'm really hoping to get more subscribers. So if you could do that, if you're checking this out, that would be awesome. But if not, I understand. I might not be doing stuff well enough yet. If so, leave me some comments. I don't mind, anybody saying, hey, do more of this, do more of that. And I'm always willing to look at projects people leave in my comments. And if I like them, I'll do a video about them. I try to do that timely because I understand if you show me something, it's probably because something's going on and we want to get that video going. So if you're interested in me doing a video for you, every once in a while I do get a decent amount of views. Right now, I'll check out projects for free. I'm not doing sponsored projects, but I do put donation addresses in some of my videos for anybody that wants to help me out. Keep me motivated doing this. Right now, I'm just having fun with it. But as I start to really deep dive projects and spend hours looking into these things, it would be nice to get a little bit more rewards. And I don't get anything from YouTube yet. My channel's just too small. But one of the things that I do in my channel is look at a lot of projects. I like projects where the coins give you more of their coins, but they don't do it too quick, or there's so many sinks for them that they don't go down in value. Because if you're earning 400% returns and there's nothing to do with the coin, it's going to go down 400%. That's just the way it works. If you're earning coins that have great places for you to use them, then they're gonna hold value or go up in value, but usually just hold value. And if you're doing something where you're farming a lot of the coin, you just need it to hold value for it to be profitable for you. If it goes up in value, that's just a bonus because more people come and see it and you got into it early. So that's why I've been looking at the CSE, the moons. That was one of my last couple videos, kind of touched base on that, and that's another reason why I play Splinterlands. Splinterlands is probably is one of the most popular, most played DApps, but it doesn't get as much hype as some of the other gaming ones out there because it's not built on Ethereum. And the reason it's not built on Ethereum is because the Ethereum chain can just not handle the level transactions that they do on this, so they use the Hive blockchain because it can. But one of the drawbacks to not being on Ethereum is that if your game isn't on Ethereum, then people kind of ignore it because, we have all these Ethereum holders that got into Ethereum when it was really cheap. Now it's worth a whole lot of money. They all have a ton of money. So when a game comes out on Ethereum, they'll dump, if you've got a couple hundred Ethereum, what's spending 1 Ethereum on 50 packs somewhere, it's $500 or maybe 20 packs. You're just like, whatever, I got a ton of these. I've got them in some of these yield farming things, or I'm earning interest. I'm just going to toss some Ethereum at something. Maybe I'll get lucky and the project will get big. Splinterlands hasn't had that kind of advantage to it, but it is a very strong game. You do earn these dark energy crystals. These are supposed to be pegged at 1,000 equals $1. It's at about 90% of the peg right now. It's been as low as 60% of the peg. You can use the dark energy crystals to buy things in their marketplace. So they have a marketplace with all their NFT cards on sale. This is the newer set, so you're going to see these prices are very low because this set is still for sale, and these are the common cards. If I go to the rare cards of this set, you see the prices go up a little bit, but still very, very cheap. And if you go to the epic cards of this set, this starts to be a little more respectable. And then if you go to the legendaries, these ones are actually worth a couple dollars, right? Scroll through some more. Here's one of the better ones at $4. I think the best ones is this one here at $20, and then you've got a couple others that are in the $7 to $8 range. So Zaku is considered probably the most powerful summoner in the game. He's currently selling for over $20, which is pretty cool considering I bought all mine for like $5 or $6 or $7 when he first came out. Of course, I'm using the card, so I'm just glad to see that it's staying so strong in value. But just to show you that this game does have some highly valuable cards, let's go to the alpha set. So now you got 11, 12, 23, multiple $14 cards. Oh, and I should have shown you before, but they have a gold foil version that are worth 500, 1,000, 800, 750, 700. But those are if you got into the game early, bought alpha. Here, let's look at the most valuable rewards cards. These are cards you get for free for playing the game, and I'm hoping to get one of these legendaries to pop up in all my rewards today. It's not as popular as it used to be, but look at these cards. Some of these cards in the $50 range. And one of the reasons why these cards get so high is they get really high if it's a useful card, but they have a floor because you can burn the cards for the dark energy crystals. So if the card can burn for $50 or $60 or $70 worth of dark energy crystals, I think they can burn for about 50. So they have a bottom floor of being worth about $50. Sometimes this spikes up because it is now a wrapped Ethereum token. So you can end up getting a whole crap load of like it can like slightly go over the peg for a little bit. And when that happens, sometimes people buy these cards up, burn them, sell the DEC, because if I was selling this for $51 and the peg went over $1 and you could burn 50,000 and get like $53, then you could just burn, sell really quick, make $3 for nothing. And transactions on Hive are cheap enough you can do that. You can buy these on Hive and you can actually move your crystals out to being even on the wrapped Ethereum market for only 1,000 dark energy crystals. So for $1 they cover that transaction for you. So that's pretty cool. But we'll go ahead and get to my rewards now. I run 3 accounts. I'm actually going to start off with my smaller alt accounts. They do allow you to bot in the game. So I have bots run my small accounts, and then I turn the bot off on my main account, and I play it a lot. But I do have it farm the dark energy crystals when I'm not playing. And the farming of the dark energy crystals, while they're worth at least 60% of their peg, or 90% of the peg, it pays for the bots. So my profit is really all the stuff that I get in the rewards chest, and a little bit of the dark energy crystal. I farm much more than the cost in a given season. So it works out pretty well. If you want to learn more about the botting, you can always leave me a comment. I can give you an invite to the Discord with the guys that run the bot I use. There's some other bots out there that some might be better, some might be worse, but mine works pretty well and it's priced right, so I'm enjoying it. So this account is my my lowest account. It can only make it to Diamond 2, but it did make it there, and I get 50 loose chests. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I get. Try to wrap this up really quick. I kind of rambled a lot in the beginning, but every time you do this, it is a brand new transaction on the blockchain. So you see it did that transaction in about a second, printed my 50 rewards. The rewards chest, you can either get potions that'll give you better chances to get better cards when you get a pack, when you buy and open a pack. You can get the dark energy crystals, or you can get a set of rewards cards. As they go out of print, they issue new ones. So those are the main rewards. They're going to be changing the game soon when they add in the land expansion, and then the rewards may change a little bit. I'm going to hit this. Well, it's 50. Let's go through them slow. So there's some dark energy crystal. There's some dark energy. Oh wow, look at that. 59,559. Are you kidding me? I just got almost $60 in dark energy crystals. That's insane. And then I got a booster pack. These rewards are already awesome. That's as good as getting a legendary card. I can buy almost any legendary rewards card. So here's my first NFT cards. These are full NFTs that I do get to own. Most of them, these two here, these two epics, those are pretty good. That's a little bit more money. These are the potions I told you about. That's the only like non-NFT. You can't transfer these. Everything else I'm getting on here, either the dark energy crystals or the cards, I own them, so I can burn them, sell them, transfer them, do anything I want with them. The potions you can only save for these packs when you open them, and normally you end up with a lot of extra potions unless you're somebody who's buying the packs. You can buy the packs in secondary market a little bit cheaper than you can from the game. Oh look, I'm up to 4 that this account is farmed in through this season. So I need 20 of each potion, but see this account has like 290. As my alt accounts build up a lot of these, eventually I do a big pack buy, and then I open them all with the potions, because with the potions and buying them, there's been a couple times where I've gotten a gold legendary that pays for the entire purchase of, say, the 200 packs that I buy. But these have to be at 1,000, right? To buy 100. If I bought 100 packs, you need 500 of these. So I still have to build it up for a little while. But I'm gonna, oops, I accidentally clicked the buy button there. I'm gonna go ahead and open these. Some people sell their packs they get you can get about $1.50 for them if you sell them on the secondary market. The reason why you get them from them for more is because if you buy them, you get qualified for airdrops. But I open my packs because I'm a gambler, and you saw I just got super lucky and got a whole bunch of dark energy crystals, which is pretty sweet. So now let's see if I can get lucky again. Well, there's an epic. Really, in this set, since it's the newer set, the only cards that are going to be valuable is that Zaku, or if you get a gold. So there we go. There's a gold rare. That's decently valuable. Not a great gold rare. Oh, that's a better one. This guy's a good card. People like him, and they like having him gold to play in the little gold tournaments. So that's a good card to see go gold. No legendaries in there, but 2 gold rares. I'll take it, and I got the 1 epic card. This is a pretty good card. So just to give you an idea, let's see, what did I get there? Oh, let me quickly cards. This account does have a decent amount of gold cards on it because these give you, it's something else. I won't get into it now, but you need them to be able to make it up to Diamond 2. So I'll click the rare button. So here's the one I got. He's at least a $2 card. Usually that price, yeah, at least $2.23. So this account got easily over $60 worth of rewards today for the season, and that's my smallest account. So that's pretty crazy. Sorry, I did some terrible clicking right there. Gold rare. I'm on the market. That's the problem. I need to be on my cards. Gold. Uncommon. Rare. Here he is. He is a 350 card. Yeah. So like $65. That's just my first account. Let's go to my second account. This one can make it to Diamond 2. So this one gets 60 chests. I honestly don't expect anybody to get higher rewards than I just got on that other one, because that 59,000 DEC was a crazy cool reward. Oh, got another pack. So that's a chance. There's a couple rare cards. Let's see. There's a couple more rares. These are newer cards, so these are good. I need to level those up. He's also a little bit newer. Actually, all of them are a little bit newer because they did have to put out a lot of new rewards cards recently. Let's see if we get anything super cool. I'm hoping during one of my videos, it's been a while since I've had a legendary card to show up during my season rewards. Oh, that's a good one to get. I need that one. Let's see here. Anything kind of cool? So far, all the dark energy crystals have been really small amounts. Oh, that's not bad. 174 is actually not bad. I know that's only 17 cents, but still. Okay, so like I said, I wasn't expecting to get super lucky again. You don't usually get super lucky twice in a row. Let's go ahead and go see if I have any bonus packs to open here. No, just the one. We'll go ahead and do a regular pack opening. This is the animation for anybody who wants to check it out. It's a little bit funner, right? When you don't open multiples. Let's see, anything cool in here? No, this is a really normal pack. So these ones are all going to be common. You get a glow, but you're looking for a yellow glow to get a legendary. Yeah, so that's a real terrible pack. That's one of those packs you would have been better off selling, because for like $1, these cards are not even worth close to $1. They're probably worth like 25 cents altogether. And you might think that how can they sell packs for $2? Why would people buy them if you can have a pack that you only get that's worth like 20 cents? It's because the cards have utility to farm the dark energy crystals if you use them, so you get your money back that way. Also, if you buy a bulk amount of packs, you do have a chance to get one of those gold cards that are worth multiple hundreds of dollars, which covers the price of, let's say you bought 100 packs for $200 and you opened up, let's see, if I go to the market really quick and I go to Untamed Gold Legendaries, let's see who's worth close to 200. Right here. If you got him, that'd be almost 200. That'd be half your money back. That'd be half your money back. He'd be half your money back. He's 87. He's, what is that? Only 65 here. He's 68. This one's 72. But see, you can get any of these cards, and then you've lowered your purchase price of your packs down. And there's no guarantee in 100 packs, even with potions, you're going to get one of these. But there's a chance, and I've gotten them before. And if you hold these cards, you would expect that maybe in the future they'd go much higher. Those of us who were buying beta packs back in the day, see? you might have pocketed some of these cards that are worth, you know, well over $100. Some of them over $200. This card's probably the most popular card in the game, so he does the best. And now I'm going to go ahead and go to my main account. This time I'm going to use the auto claim because my main account actually did make it to Champion 1 this series, which is as high as you can get as far as rewards chest. If you have one of the best accounts, you can earn free packs. I didn't do that, but let's go ahead and see what I did do. This is my maybe best chance at a legendary. We'll go ahead and see what happens. We're gonna hit reveal all because it'll fly by, but it'll slow down if we get lucky and get a legendary. I'll review it afterwards. There's a rare. There was a 50, a 59 dark energy, a 9, a 46. So nothing special yet. Let's see. There's another rare. That was a good little thing right there. There's another rare. There's a gold, but a gold common. So that one's only worth maybe $1. Let's see. I didn't see any big dark energies. I didn't see any big dark energy crystals yet. There's a 59. And oh, there's another gold common. That's another maybe $1. Let's see here. Where are we going with this? Anything? Come on. We're getting near the end. Oh, a pack. Man, those legendaries are just hard to get. So, you know, we'll go see how many packs I have on this account. I don't always see when I get my packs and my rewards because I don't come here. So, oh, I got 2. So we'll go ahead and open these. Open 2. I actually don't have as many potions built up on this one because I did do a potion, a pack buy, like not a huge one, a little while ago. Let's see. Anything exciting? Ooh, look at that. That could be exciting. It's funny, it's like $1 or $2, or if it turns gold, then it's like $20 or $30. And if it's a gold Zaku, then I'm going to be flipping out. Oh, no. Yeah, gold Zaku, then I would be flipping out. But let's see who it is. There we go. Oh, it's the Dark Archon. It is like $1.50. But still, hey, I got all of that for free today, you know? Probably altogether about $80 worth of stuff because I got super lucky with that Dark Energy crystals. Maybe 75. Let me go check what that card is worth really quick. Yeah, $2, yeah. So see, a couple cards worth $2, a couple gold cards worth a couple dollars. I don't know if I'm going to be selling anything. I'm somebody who's like saving up these cards a little bit, trying to make sure that I have them. See, I got 2 of these guys. I could sell it for $37, but I have a feeling they'll be worth more eventually. I do lend out some of my cards, but the rental market is, you know, hit and miss. It's really competitive. It's another aspect to the game that's pretty cool. So anyways, I hope you guys had a little fun time with me. This was a longer rewards video than normal. I don't know if anybody will hang out through the whole thing, but if you do, thank you very much. If you kind of like what I'm showing you, it's projects with great ROIs. There's not very often where that was a 2-week season. Besides the fact that I farmed around $20 or $30 worth of DEC, and then I popped off somewhere around $60 to $75 worth of rewards cards at the end. So in 2 weeks, I made $135 playing the game. It's not staggering money, but it's money for playing a game. I mean, I would have loved making $135 a week after doing an investment into the game. No joke, over time, I've put thousands into the game, and I've made thousands from the game. That's the way the game is built. It's not necessary that you will make your money back for sure, but you can make your money back. And I'm also adding into the fact that if you blog about the game on Hive, you usually get some money back from doing that. Everybody take care, and this is Crypto Steve saying goodbye.